Hello children, how are you? Children, today's our lesson is Find the Way Directions. You will achieve the following learning outcomes from this lesson. You will identify the four directions. You will be able to define boundary. You will try to observe the corners of your schools. Children, in third class, we have learnt about village. What do we see in village? Yes, school, bank, water tank, temple, church, mosque, etc. When father, mother and other adults live together in one place, it is called a family. Other adults means grandparents, aunts, uncles. We all live together. It is called a family. Many families living together in one place form a village. Many families living in one place means it's a village. Children, look at this picture. This is Ramya's village. This is Ramya's village. What do you see in this picture? Yes, you can see one lake here. Here some coconut trees are there. Here we can see mountains and different types of houses. Pakka houses, Kutch houses, etc. Here we can see a road. Isn't it, children? Can we find the directions? Can we find the directions? Kasturi wants to go to her friend Kamala's house. Yes, Kasturi wants to go to her friend Kamala's house. She asked Ramya to guide her. Kasturi asked Ramya to guide her. Ask the route of Kamala's house. Ramya said it is to the south of the post office. Ramya said Kamala's house is south of the post office. The south, what's that? Asked Kasturi. What is south? Asked Kasturi. Ramya stood facing the sun, stretched her hands on either sides and said, the direction the sun rises is the east. What did Ramya do? Ramya stood facing the sun. Stretched her hands అంటే చేతులు చాచిందన్నమాట. రెండు వైపులా చేతులు చాచింది. The direction the sun rises is the east. Sun rises in the east. To the back is west. Opposite to east is west. Right hand side is south. Ramya's right hand side is south and the left hand side is north. These are the four directions. Understood, children? Yes. First one is east. Sun rises in the east. Opposite to east is west. Ramya's right hand side is south and the left hand side is north. These are the four directions. Children, you observe this picture. Identify the directions. Yes. Here we can see the rising sun. So this is east. Opposite to east is west. Then right hand side is south. Down side is south and left hand side is north. Okay, children? Here, observe the picture here. Kasturi is standing in the middle facing north. She stood facing north. North means pai vaipu annamata. It's a Kasturi stood here facing north side. What is there in north side? Yes, one tree is there. Here opposite to north is south. Here we can see one well. What is this side? What is this direction? East. Opposite to east is west. West side is, we can see, a school. Children, here write which direction are the following to Kasturi. The well is in the which direction? Yes, east. The bus stop is in the dash direction. Yes, south direction. The school is in the west direction. The mango tree is in the north direction. These are the 4 directions. Like Kasturi, you too stand in front of your house. Write what are there in different directions to your house. Kasturi laga మీరు కూడా సన్ రైజింగ్ సైడ్ కానీ లేదు అంటే మీ ఇంటి దగ్గర నిల్చొని కానీ 4 డైరెక్షన్స్లో ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి అనేవి మీరు నోట్ చేయండి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, we have read about north, south, east and west. Yes, just now we have learnt about north, south, east and west directions. We can know where our house, street and village are located with the help of directions. What are the uses of these directions? Why should we use these directions? By using these directions, we can know our house, street, villages. మరి డైరెక్షన్స్ యూజ్ చేసి మన ఇల్లు ఎక్కడుంది, మన వీధి ఎక్కడుంది, లేదంటే మన విలేజ్ ఎక్కడుంది అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. A line which marks the limits of an area, building or village is called a boundary. మన ఏరియా లిమిట్స్ని చూపించేదాన్ని ఏమంటారు? బౌండరీ అని అంటారు. అది ఒక బిల్డింగ్ కావచ్చు, లేదంటే ఒక విలేజ్ కావచ్చు. We can identify any area or a place or a piece of architecture with the help of boundaries. మరి బౌండరీస్ ఉంటే ఏం చేయొచ్చు? మనం ఎనీ ఏరియా అంటే ఏ ఏరియానైనా కూడా మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు, ప్లేస్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. డూ యూ నో what aspects other than directions are useful in locating a place? For locating place, other than directions, what we are using? Let us see. Directions on corners. Here, just now we have observed east direction and opposite to east is west direction. Then here north direction, opposite to north is south. We have learned these 4 directions. Then what are corners? Let us see. Corners means moolalu. Here in between north and east we can see northeast corner, and in between west and south we can see southwest corner. Then in between east and south we can see southeast corner. In between north and west we can see northwest corners. We have 4 directions and 4 corners to locate an area or place. Children, you have observed this picture. You have to discuss these questions with your friends and answer them. Notice the corners. Yes, we have seen 4 corners. What else do you see other than 4 directions? Yes, just now we saw 4 corners other than directions. We can see 4 corners other than directions. They are northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest corners. Let us see the next one. The place between 2 directions is called a corner. The place between 2 directions. Just now we saw 4 corners. Here northeast corner is in between east and north. Northwest corner is in between north and west directions. Like this, in between 2 directions we can see a corner. You can observe corners of your house or classroom. What are there in the corners? What are the things you kept in your corners? How many corners are there? Here one table is given. What is the first one? The east and the south. What is the corner in between east and the south directions? Yes, southeast corner. In between south and west directions we can see southwest corner. In between the west and the north directions we can see northwest corner. In between north and the east directions we can see northeast corner. Okay children? With this our session is completed. Here is the homework for you. You answer these questions and show it to your teacher. What do you see in 4 directions of your house? Second one, what are boundaries? Name the boundaries of your village. Okay children? Shall we meet in next class? Thank you.